In this video, we're going to look at using the Shaderlight Replace Me feature and linking this to a model that is in the 3D warehouse. The Shaderlight Replace Me feature is new to Shaderlight version 2, and it's a unique tool that helps SketchUp viewport performance by being able to create simple component models and then render them in Shaderlight as the full 3D geometry. So to link our model here, our component, I'm going to go to our plugins menu and select Shaderlight for SketchUp, and I'm going to open the Replace Me Creator dialog box. So at the moment I just need to select my house component there, and we can see that we've just selected which one we're going to replace. I want to set that up as a Replace Me, and now we need to specify the source. In the previous videos we've seen that we've done this from the Shaderlight Replace Me library in the 3D warehouse, and we've also done this from a local model. But I'm now going to link directly to a model on the warehouse. So I've chosen a house here, and this has been modelled by the user called Dilbert. And I'm going to choose Download Model, and I'm just going to copy this link. So I can minimise that, and I can now paste the link directly into the window here. So this is the link directly to the 3D warehouse model. So if I just choose Return, that just applies the settings to this component. So I can now close the Replace Me Creator there, and if I just re-render that, we can now see that we've still got our house component there, but this has now downloaded the model from the 3D warehouse. Now it is worth mentioning that the model comes in on the same position that the origin is in the component here as it is in my component that I've created. Now the reason I mention this is because some of the origins on 3D warehouse components aren't always where you expect them to be, so sometimes the model can come in at a different place. Also, if the model has been created at a different scale, then sometimes people have modelled something that will come in at an interesting scale to what model you have. So we can now see, using the Move tool in our model here, I can just rotate my house round. And again, just using Move, we can clone this. So very quickly we could create a simple street using those models. And we can see that SketchUp is just working to this simple geometry. So its Shaderlight is now doing sort of the hard work with those 3D models. So this will really help if you're working with a full scene here, and you're putting in trees and street lights, and this will really help with the performance. You can have multiple Replace Me components in your render window.